Assign a shortcut for Next tab in Visual Studio. Using Visual Studio 2010 Express. When you do Ctrl+Tab on the editor of Visual Studio, it navigates to the next document window. The name of the shortcut is window.nextDocumentWindow. Should you let Ctrl key down, it shows the navigation window where you can see all tool windows and editor tabs opened. Without taking in account the navigation window, this shortcut enables to navigate between two tabs, the current one and the last one that had focus. I think it's not a very optimized behavior because if you want to set focus on a third tab, you have to let Ctrl key down to get the navigation window, then search for your tab, then click on it, or rotate between all tabs with the tab key. I would rather have a shortcut that rotates between open tabs like any application, browsers like Firefox, i.e., Excel, but I couldn't find any shortcut to do that in the tools window corresponding to the desired behavior. Do you know if it is possible to set a such keyboard shortcut? Edit. It seems that this shortcut is only available through plugins. That means that the Express version is not able to get this function for now.
In Visual Studio 2010, the menu tools is greater than options is greater than environment is greater than keyboard column show commands containing column type next document window lets you find and select the window.next document window in the list. It shows that the shortcut is Ctrl+F6. This shortcut lets you cycle through currently open documents. Ctrl+Shift+F6 navigates in reverse order. Edit. I tried also Ctrl+Alt+down and Ctrl+Alt+up shortcuts do about the same thing. Hope that helps.
From VS 2010, how do I get Next tab, Previous tab's keyboard shortcut working? You should map the window.nextDocumentWell tab and not view.next tab and remove it from any other functions it's assigned to. Only mapping it will not work, you also need to unmap from anything else it's being used on, apparently. Looked into this some more, and it turns you need to install the productivity tools. That gives you that NextDocumentWell tab function.
In Visual Studio 2019, the command name for Next tab and Previous tab is window.nextTab and window.previousTab respectively.
In Visual Studio 2022 it is window.nextDocumentWindow and window.previousDocumentWindow. And if you are using the French version, you have to search Fenêtre.tabulation servant and Fenêtre.tabulation precedent.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.